My controller alarm relay output is acting as normally open and closed in the alarm state. I want the opposite action as normally closed and open in alarm state. How do I change the alarm action? This video tutorial will show you how to change the alarm state action from normally open and closed in alarm to normally closed and open in alarm on a Eurotherm 2200 series controller. The controller is set up as alarm number 1 is a full-scale high FSH, and it is assigned to the AA relay. We are going to change the AA relay sense of output from normal NOR to inverted INV. First, we begin by putting the controller into the configuration level. Please note, when putting the controller into the configuration level, all outputs are shut off from the process. Before doing this, make sure it is safe to do so. We will be using the 4 buttons across the bottom of the controller. The leftmost button is called the page button. The next button to the right is the scroll button. The next button to the right is the down button. The final button to the right is the up button. First, we begin by pressing the page button repeatedly until we see ACCS list. Press the scroll key once, and you will see code pass or code 0. With the up button, change the value to 1. Now press the scroll key once and you will see go to OPER. With the up or down buttons, change the value OPER to CONF. Now press the scroll key once and you will see code 0. With the up button, change 0 to 2. Now press the page button and the display will read INST CONF. Now press the page button repeatedly until the display reads AA CONF. Now press the scroll button repeatedly until the display reads SENS NOR. Now press the up button to change the display from NOR to INV. Now press the page button repeatedly until the display reads Exit No. Press the up button to change the value from No to Yes. At this time, the controller will reboot. You have successfully changed the alarm state action from normally open and closed in alarm to normally closed and open in alarm.
For information on all of our control solutions, please visit our website at www.nets-inc.com.